I only pass the gate and now the whole of jungle dog them a chase me. Me not even bark at them, I swear. Me tell her me did a prayer meeting, now she catch me by Magnum and peanuts. Lord God, me done. Grandma got disown me. Me scan the banana one time, now my bill say $13,000. Huh? Who they behind me account? Wait, I swear say me buy frozen chicken breast. This no normal, me not. Obe aisle? Look pan the bread. Is who sit pan my basket? Me carry butter cardboard. Oh. I can't take the street no more. Man out your cat calling me for my bun and cheese. I swear the money was there. Me now live this embarrassment down. Me need witness protection. I can't trust no bird in a supermarket. And last time I end up in a chicken scandal. I never pick up no yam. Somebody a try set me up for cook soup, me no plan. Me just say buy cornmeal. And the man say my spirit powerful. And where my spirit go shop too. Africa, only cabbage and one coconut. I swear. No vibes in this basket, but sorrow.